The next topic is flume. Here you can see that flume is like here we have conversion, then this is your narrow part, and then again we will be having diversion part. Okay, so I think that flume part you better you refer to Pansal, okay, where you can find out the clear diagram. Okay, this is little bit some advanced method which is not in a syllabus, but still we can discuss here. Okay, so we have a equation to find out the discharge through an open channel using flume. Okay, so don't worry, in the next class I'll give you a proper diagram of the flume so that it will better or you can understand better. Okay, so now you can just write down the equation for flume. Okay, okay, you just write down this expression, that is 2 by 3 twice g to the power half cbh. Okay, b is the width of the flume section, c is the coefficient of discharge. Okay, and h we all know that is head, the total head. Okay, okay, so we discuss little bit about hydraulic structure. So we have two type of hydraulic structure, one is diversion and one is storage. Okay, if you see here, so storage structure, see we usually construct dam and then we store water in a reservoir. So those structure, hydraulic structure, are called storage structure. For example, a dam. Okay. So when we construct a dam, we basically we are going to store water in a reservoir for multi-purpose. One very basic is or most common is hydropower. Then for irrigation, navigation. Okay, or we use sometime dam as an flood control structure also. Okay, so when we construct a dam for multi-purpose and we store water in the reservoir, so those structure are called storage structure. Okay, or the second case is a diversion structure, which may be a wire or a barrage that rises the water level the river slightly. So you can write down the definition, okay? That one is storage structure and one is your diversion structure. In diversion structure, we are not going to store water. We are only going to divert the water for various process purpose. Maybe for irrigation, maybe for hydropower. Okay, it depends. But we are not going to store water. Only we rise the level of water and we divert the water flow of water. Okay, so this is your diversion structure. Okay, so in storage structure it requires a very high construction and high cost. Okay, so it's a very large structure. Those are storage structure, and as compared to the storage structure, divergent structure are very small. Okay, as compared to your storage structure. So you can write down the definition of storage structure and divergent structure. You just write only the definition. Okay, you need not to elaborate. Over. Then we move on to this diagram. Okay, you can see here the river is coming from a hilly area. Okay, so we are constructing dam first. Okay, and when we construct dam, then we store water in the reservoir. Okay, so this is our storage structure. Okay, you can see storage structure dam. It's written there. So when we construct a dam, then we are going to release some amount of water in the downstream end. Okay, and we store maximum amount of water in the upstream. Okay, then we use this amount of water for as a flood control, for hydropower. Okay, so in various point of view. Okay, then See, we have releasing some amount of water to the downstream, and then we have constructed another one. That is your this. Okay, this. This is your hydraulic structure, or you can say diversion structure. Here we are not going to store water, only we lift or we increase the height of the level of the water, and then we divert the flow through this point. Okay, maybe for irrigation purpose or some other purpose. Okay, so this is your storage structure and this is your diversion structure. So we have two types of structure. Okay, so here we have a road. So this diagram you can see that combination of both storage structure and your diversion structure. Okay, so you can construct any one or you can construct both also, depending on the available of water and the purpose we need to fulfill. Okay, so always remember, in storage structure we construct an obstruction and then we store water in the reservoir in the upstream end. Okay, and in diversion we only raise the water level and then we divert through canal. Okay, for various purposes, it depends. Okay, it may be your hydropower, it may be for irrigation. Okay, so you can write down this table which shows difference between wire and barrage. So you write down the difference between wire and barrage. Okay. So like wire, we have low cost. In barrage, we require high cost. Okay. Okay. So you just write down the difference between wire and barrage. Okay. You write down this table. Okay. Over. So we continue in the next class, okay? Then for we have flume, then we have also sluice gate, and we have also another one is your dam break problem. Just an introduction, okay? What is dam break problem? So we discuss those things in the next class, okay? So thank you, students.